Alright, we have 3 pieces of equipment.
Tres.
Uno, dos, tres, cola, wasada. We have 3 pieces of equipment and we are each going to take turns to come up with an exercise, and we have 10 minutes. So we'll be working for 10 minutes, and when I'm working, you're resting. When you're resting, I'm working. And so on.
Sounds like a plan. You guys follow along, okay? If you don't have equipment, modify it.
Diyar mate hai.
Diyar mate hai.
Oh, the cat. Opie, hi. Oh my god. She wanted to be in the shot. Oh my. Okay. Bring her here. Let's see if she. Are you gonna? She wants to get down. Whoa. Okay.
Oh, look at all that fluff.
All right, let's get this started.
Diyar mate hai.
Diyar. Let's go. I'm gonna go first.
Let's start that timer, guys.
Okay, we have to start the 10 minute. I'm gonna go first, and then you're gonna do the exercise that I suggest.
10 minutes starts now.
Are we ready? Okay, cool.
Are we ready?
Are we ready? Get set. We're going for bent over row with the sandbag for our first exercise.
How many reps?
10 to 12. Stop counting like that! Ow! Oh, that was intense. Let's go.
So we're gonna squeeze our butt, keep that core nice and tight. Make sure you're so rock solid that when your partner tickles you, nothing's gonna happen.
You can do it. How many have you done so far?
I don't know.
8. You did 8.
I didn't do 8. You guys were watching. How many did I do?
That was 8.
It was more than 8. Love the sound effects.
Okay.
Nice.
Oh my god.
You're right there, love.
That was intense. The gyms are closed, so we haven't been at the gym in a long time.
What's next, Shuks?
Okay.
What's next on the program?
So, move out of the way.
Hey, yeah.
No, come in the shot. Just pull apart and squeeze your back.
Shoulder blades together.
Shoulder blades together, yes. So, oh, you feel that one. Let's go.
I'm gonna snap it.
You're gonna snap it. You reckon you're that strong?
Just too tight.
did that feel?
Felt good.
What would you give
Felt
it?
like a good warm up.
What would you give it out of 10?
Oh, that's about a 6.
6.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna go in, out, in, out.
He's doing the extra too, the bonus.
In.
Oh yeah, my turn. Oh wow,
What you
this
got?
is 8 kilos and it's very heavy. Very heavy. He makes it look easy.
Oh, sticking.
It's not that easy. Okay. $12.
Good job. Look at you. Look
That-
at you. Killing it.
That was great. I am
Alright,
dying.
last exercise. Let's go. Last one. So 45 seconds each. Let's go.
Alright, we're just gonna do core. So let's go. 1, 2, 3. 10, 11, 12, 6 on
You know
each
what? I
side.
feel like we still have time for a second exercise after this.
Of course we do. Let's go. Wow.
Okay. My turn?
Yes. What are you gonna make us do?
We're gonna do dead bugs.
Oh
This up
wow.
in the air. We're gonna go 1, 2.
Whoa.
Your turn.
Oh, we're almost out of
The
time.
final grand finale.
Are we almost out of time? No.
28 seconds. Let's go. And done. Woo!
That was
Thanks for the workout, Shuks.
pretty good. No, thanks to you.
And I hope you guys are out there sweating it up on a warm sunny day, as you can see. Hope you guys got your sweat on at home as much as SHUKRIA did right here indoors in our glass house. Sweating?
Yeah. A little bit, not too much. Alright, that was a great workout. We had bands, kettlebell, oh, it's still quite heavy, and a sandbag. So you can use anything you have at home, and that is all for today.
You can use your couch, like SHUKRIA usually does.
I will probably do another video next time using the couch.
You can use your chairs. Click here.
Here.
No, here.
I think it's here. I don't
No,
know
just
where.
click this one. This one's better.
Somewhere down here. Just click anywhere.
I will see you there.